Here the question is to differentiate antiseptics and disinfectants. And we also need to name a substance which can be used as a disinfectant as well as an antiseptic. Antiseptics and disinfectants both serve to control microbial growth but are used in different contexts and have different properties. The first one is antiseptics. They are used on living tissues such as skin to reduce or eliminate the microorganisms, and these are applied to cuts, wounds or before medical procedures to prevent the infections. The examples include alcohol, iodine solutions or hydrogen peroxide. Whereas disinfectants are used on inanimate objects and surfaces to kill or inhibit the microorganisms. This is used to clean the surfaces like countertops, floors or medical equipment to prevent the spread of infection. So we can say the antiseptics are safe for use on living tissues while disinfectants are intended for non-living surfaces. Now the substances which can be used as a disinfectant as well as antiseptic include phenol and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to clean the minor cuts and abrasions to help prevent the infection. And this can be also used as a disinfectant because it is used to disinfect the surfaces including countertops and medical equipment. Phenol is another such type of a compound because phenol can be applied in dilute form to the skin or wounds to reduce microbial presence, though its use is less common today due to potential toxicity and irritation. They can be used as disinfectant because it is effective against bacteria and viruses, though it is less commonly used now due to the strong odor and potential harmful effects.